What does the term amortization mean in real estate? The gradual repayment of a mortgage loan through regular payments. What is a certificate of occupancy? A document issued by a local government certifying that a property complies with building codes and is safe for occupancy. What is the purpose of earnest money in a real estate transaction? To demonstrate serious intent to purchase and compensate the seller if the buyer defaults. What does the term closing disclosure refer to in a real estate transaction? A final accounting of all costs and fees associated with the loan and closing process. What is a land contract? An agreement where the seller provides financing for the buyer to purchase the property. What does the term adjustable rate mortgage, ARM, refer to? A mortgage loan where the interest rate can change periodically.